Are you ready to unlock the secrets to choosing the perfect MM2H visa tier for your needs? Welcome back to Chase and Discover, the channel where we unlock the best destinations and lifestyle secrets across Asia and beyond. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting long-term visa programs in Southeast Asia, Malaysia My Second Home, or MM2H. Whether you're looking to relocate, invest, or simply retire in paradise, this program could be your golden ticket. But with the recent 2025 revisions, there are now 4 tiers to choose from, and depending on your lifestyle, budget, and goals, one might suit you better than the others. So, how do you pick the right MM2H pass? And more importantly, why should you invest your hard-earned money in Malaysia? Stay tuned to discover which tier could be your gateway to an incredible life in Malaysia. Alright, first things first. What exactly is this MM2H program? And why should you even care? In a nutshell, it's a long-term visa that lets you live in Malaysia for up to 20 years. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't just some tourist visa where you're in and out every few months. Imagine waking up every day in a tropical paradise with delicious food, friendly people, and a cost of living that doesn't make you want to pull your hair out. With MM2H, you get multiple entry access, tax exemptions on your foreign income, access to top-notch medical care, and your kids can go to amazing international schools. Over 55,000 people have already made Malaysia their second home. So, what are you waiting for? Now, you might be thinking, why Malaysia? I've been there, done that. But trust me, Malaysia is different. It's got this unique blend of modern living and natural beauty that's hard to find anywhere else. Plus, it's incredibly affordable, especially compared to places like Singapore or Hong Kong. We're talking about eating like a king for a fraction of the cost. And the healthcare? Top-notch, and again, way cheaper than what you'd pay back home. Malaysia is a melting pot of cultures. Malay, Chinese, Indian, you name it. It's like a constant festival of food, languages, and traditions. From an investment standpoint, Malaysia is on the rise. It's a hotspot for digital nomads, retirees, and investors looking for a stable economy with huge growth potential. Okay, so you're intrigued. You're picturing yourself sipping coconut water on a beach in Penang. In 2025, Malaysia revamped the MM2H program. And now there are 4 different tiers to choose from: Silver, Gold, Platinum, and SEZ. Each tier has its own set of requirements and benefits, so you need to choose the one that aligns with your goals and budget. Don't worry, we're gonna break down each tier in detail so you can make the smartest decision. First up, we got the Silver category. This one's for you cautious explorers out there. The Silver visa gives you 5 years of residency, renewable if you like what you see. You'll need a fixed deposit of 150,000 US dollars and a minimum property purchase of 600,000 Malaysian ringgit. You only need to stay in Malaysia for 90 days a year, so you can still travel the world or spend time back home. Plus, you can bring your spouse, kids, and even your parents. Alright, now let's say you're ready to commit. This is where the Gold category comes in. This bad boy gives you a 15-year visa so you can really plant your roots and call Malaysia home. The requirements are a bit steeper: a 500,000 US dollar fixed deposit and a minimum property purchase of 1 million ringgit. Same dependent rules apply as the Silver tier, so your family is coming along for the ride. Now, for the high rollers, the movers and shakers, the entrepreneurs and investors who are ready to go all in on Malaysia, we have the Platinum category. This is the top tier MM2H visa, and it comes with all the bells and whistles. We're talking a 20-year visa, the ability to work or start a business, hire a foreign maid, and bring your entire extended family. The catch? It'll cost you a pretty penny. You'll need a cool 1 million US dollars in fixed deposits and a minimum property purchase of 2 million ringgit. Last but not least, we have the SEZ category, which stands for Special Economic Zone. This one's a little different. It's specifically designed for folks who are looking to invest in property in designated special economic zones within Malaysia. It's the most affordable option, with fixed deposit requirements as low as 65,000 US dollars for those aged 21 to 49, and even lower for the 50-plus crowd. The SEZ visa is valid for 10 years, and while it doesn't come with work rights, it's a fantastic option for early retirees or those looking to capitalize on the booming Malaysian property market. By now, your head might be spinning with all these options, but don't worry, the application process itself is pretty straightforward. The first thing you need to do is find yourself a MOTAC-approved MM2H agents. They'll be your guide through the entire process, from choosing the right visa tier to submitting your documents. Once you've submitted everything, you'll get a conditional approval letter within a few months. After that, you'll need to open a Malaysian bank account for your fixed deposit, get health insurance, and do a final health check. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff. The perks of being an MM2H resident. No matter which tier you choose, you'll enjoy a multiple entry visa, meaning you can come and go as you please. You'll also get to keep your foreign income tax-free, which is a huge plus. And let's not forget about the world-class healthcare, top-notch international schools, and the freedom to travel all over Southeast Asia. Plus, you'll be living in a country with a low cost of living, delicious food, and friendly people. Look, I've traveled the world, seen a lot of amazing places, and let me tell you, Malaysia is special. It's got this perfect balance of modern amenities, natural beauty, and cultural richness that's hard to find anywhere else. Plus, it's incredibly affordable, especially compared to other popular expat destinations. We're talking about living a luxurious lifestyle for a fraction of the cost. Malaysia is a smart investment. The economy is booming, the government is stable, and the property market is on fire. With the MM2H program, you're not just getting a visa, you're investing in your future. So, there you have it. The MM2H program, your ticket to a better life in Malaysia. Whether you're looking to retire in paradise, raise a family in a safe and welcoming environment, or simply experience a new culture, Malaysia has something to offer everyone. But listen, don't just take my word for it. Do your research, talk to other expats, and come see for yourself why Malaysia is quickly becoming the hottest destination in Southeast Asia. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and inspiration, and drop your questions in the comments below. Until next time, peace out.